Now whatever you see is going to be recorded, okay?
Okay.
Sit back down and be sturdy, okay?
What?
Sit back down and be sturdy.
What's dirty?
Look up at the water and the scenery and everything.
Did he say look up or look down? Ah! Hide it out?
No.
Why? Hey, Mom. I see tore something on my camera. It was a weed.
What do you need to do that for? Are you worried about something getting us or what?
That's wood.
Yeah.
That's how I do it.
You need to go get you your own little... Well, check out Cody going backwards.
Oh my god, you're so cool. So you're about to run into some wood.
Hey, we...
Daddy, I want to do it. Sorry.
You gotta make it go in the water flat. No.
Fat.
Look, to make it push, the blade, see this is a blade? Here, let's try it sit down. This blade, it has to go in the water like that to push.
Oh. Okay.
See? And if you want to go this way, you push a little bit more on that side.
Okay.
And then you just go like that.
Okay. I got it now.
Widen your arms up.